In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily change the screenshot format on your Samsung device. I'll show you how to switch from the default JPG format to the more versatile PNG format, allowing you to capture high-quality screenshots. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device and then scroll down until you see an option called Advanced Features. Once you've found it, tap on it. After that, tap Screenshots and Screen Recorder. Once you are on this page, under Screenshots, you'll see an option called Format. Just tap on it. As you can see, right now, the format is set to JPG, so to change it, simply tap and select PNG. And now all of the screenshots that you take in the future will be saved in PNG format. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.